sad to glad. Mike is Luke's pal. Mike is sick. Luke went to see him. Cole must wait at home. Cole is sad. Cole sits on the rag and waits. Luke is home. Cole wags his tail and runs to Luke. Luke hugs Cole. Cole is glad. At the sea.
At the sea.
At the seaside.
Seaside, correct. At the seaside.
Meg digs in the sand. Fill the pail. Meg says, Dad, and Meg dig a sand cave. Dad and Meg dig a sand cave. Luke tugs on Mom's hand. Let's wade in the sea, says Luke. Mom takes Luke's hand, and a big wave came. The sand cave fell. The sand cave fell. Mom and Luke got wet, but Luke is safe.